Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today I am dealing with 7th class mathematics congruency of triangles. In that we are going to do angle side angle criteria of congruency. This is generally called ASA property. What does this says? If in two triangles the corresponding angles and their included side are congruent. Congruent means equal. You have to say it as equal. Then the two triangles are congruent. This is the property of angle side angle congruency. What is that? If in two triangles the corresponding angles and their included sides are equal. Congruent means equal. Then the two triangles are congruent. So let me take a triangle ABC and another triangle PQR. So if I say that angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, and BC is equal to QR. See, corresponding angles are equal. These two angles included side means in between the two angles side is BC. The other two sides are other sides. They are not included. Only this side is included. So if included sides are equal, then two triangles are congruent. So how can I write? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, BC is equal to QR, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR basing on angle side angle property. We had learned earlier side angle side property in which between the two sides included angle is equal. Two corresponding sides and their included angle, if they are equal, two triangles are congruent, we have learned. Now we are talking about angle side angle. As the name indicates, in between the two angles the side should be there. That means two corresponding angles and their included side, if they are equal, we will be saying that they are congruent to each other. Please note down this, children. Now I am going to deal with another property, children, and that property is actually not mentioned in your book, but they have given certain problems based on that. So that is why I feel that it is important for you to learn angle side property. Angle side property. So you will be calling it as AAS, angle side property. So when you are talking about this definition, if in two triangles the corresponding angles and their non-included sides means that side will not be included in it. Non-included sides are congruent, equal, then the two triangles are congruent. This property actually is not mentioned in your textbook, but I have seen there are certain problems basing on this property. So without dealing with this property, if that problems are set to you, you may not, you may develop a kind of doubt. How is it that we have learned angle side angle property, and this is how is it angle side property? How can they be equal? You may have a doubt like that. Actually, there is a property called angle side property, but that is not mentioned in your textbook. So I felt that it is my duty to mention that and then go to the problems. So here you see. So in two triangles, two corresponding angles. Let me take again angle A, B, C and P, Q, R. In this, two corresponding angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. And if I say AB is equal to PQ, say children, AB is not included in between the angles. But if they are corresponding sides, non-included, we can even say non-included corresponding sides also you can add. Non-included corresponding sides. So, non-included corresponding sides. Corresponding sides are congruent. Then you can say that the two triangles are similar, congruent to each other. So, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, AB is equal to PQ, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR basing on angle side property. So these are the two properties, angle side angle or angle side property. Basing on this, you are having the next problems. See children, logically if you think about, see in a triangle, the sum of the three angles are 180, no? So if we say that these two angles are equal, it is understood that these two angles are also equal because 180 minus sum of these two. 180 minus sum of these two, how much you will be getting here? The same you will be getting here because these are congruent. The corresponding sides are congruent. So in case if you say angle A is equal to angle P again, these two are corresponding angles and included side it becomes. That is why I feel that they might not have given it in your textbook, because anyway, angle side property ultimately ends with angle side angle property. Why? Because of the property of the triangle. I hope I am clear, children. Please note it down. Then we'll be going to the exercise sums. Example sums are there. First we will be seeing that. Then we will go to the exercise. Now we have example 4. So there is a figure for example 4. So first, let me draw that figure. Two triangles. These are actually obtuse angled triangles. I hope you know about the angles, children. Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, a reflex angle, complete angle. These are the angles that you have got. So here we are talking about two triangles which are obtuse, because this is given 120 degrees and this is also 120 degrees. This is a triangle A, B, C, and this is P, Q, R, and this is 3 centimeters, This is also 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. This is the figure. So let us see what is given the problem. Two triangles ABC and PQR. It goes on like this. Let me read the problem. Example 4, children, it is two triangles. Triangle, oh, he has given it as CAB, not ABC. He named it as CAB and triangle RPQ. So with the vertex, this one vertical angle he is talking about. So if the two triangles, triangle CAB and triangle RPQ are given below, and check whether the two triangles are congruent. If they are congruent, what can you say about the measure of the remaining elements of the triangle? What are the measures of the remaining elements? So here elements they said, children. First of all, what are the elements? In the lower classes you have learned, 6th class you have learned elements of the triangle. Triangle contains vertices, triangle contains angles, triangle contains sides. These all are called as elements. So here if we talk about angles and sides, that's quite enough. So let us come to this. We have got two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B is equal to angle Q. Why is it? They are 120 degrees given. They have given to us. And AB is equal to PQ. How much it is? 3 centimeters. BC is equal to RQ. That is 4 centimeters. Okay, we will name this also CBA and RQP. RPQ he has given. RPQ. CBA and RPQ. What is given in the problem? I have taken it like this. In this, angle B is equal to angle Q 120 degrees and AB is equal to PQ 3 centimeters. This is also given to us. And BC is equal to QR 4 centimeters. This is also given to us. Therefore, we will be saying triangle CBA is congruent to triangle RPQ basing on, see children, what is this? Side, angle, side. Yes, yes property. So the problem, even though we have done angle side angle property, he has given this problem based on side angle side property. Now, what are the elements that are equal? They are asking. So, element, the question is, what can you say about the measure of remaining elements of the triangles? Remaining elements of the triangles, remaining elements of triangles. What are they? We will be saying that AC is equal to PR. Why is it? Because triangle CAB is congruent to triangle RPQ. We know that congruency means every side is equal, every angle, every corresponding side is equal, and every corresponding angles are equal, angle is equal, corresponding angle. So here we have talked about angle B. So now side, only one side is left, we have written. Then angles, if you say angle A is equal to angle P, you will be writing, and angle C is equal to angle R. These are the remaining elements which are similar. We are going to, which are equal actually. We have done here, children. Please note it down. Now, let us go to the next part. This is 7th class, children. Now, Example 5. Example 5. You have got a triangle figure. So it is given like this: A, B, C. And what did they do here? They kept like this. That means what? These two angles are equal, and these two sides are equal, and these two angles are also equal. This is what they have given. Now let us see. In the following picture, equal sides and triangles are shown. Are the triangles congruent? The question is, are the triangles congruent? This is the question in this figure, children. See, they have given you a triangle. In this, see, at angle A they have given same measure. Means what? This is AD. AD is the bisector of angle A. This means it is dividing angle A into two equal halves, and AB is equal to AC. And here also the two angles that are formed, angle BDA and angle CDA, are equal. They have given according to the measure. Now the question is, are the triangles congruent? So here we are able to see two triangles in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. In these two triangles, angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. This is given to us with the help of the markings they have given. AB is equal to AC. This is also given to us. And angle BDA is equal to angle CDA. This is also given to us. So we will be saying that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD basing on what, children? Angle side property. Angle side property. This can also be done just by saying that. How? Also, second method I can say. This is second method if you want to prove in a second way. What you can say, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. This is given to us. And angle BDA is equal to angle CDA. This is also given to us. So here you can say that AD is equal to AD. This is common. See, two triangles are having common side. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD basing on side angle property. See, children, these two, any method you can follow. This is first method I can say, and that is second method I can say. So any method which you want, you can use. Anyway, you can prove. I have already explained you that there is a property called angle side angle, and there is a property called angle side. So here, in any way you prove this. Why did I take initially? Because the problem says that the equal measures are given. Are the triangle congruent? All the two triangles are congruent. That is given. Since they have given the measures, by taking the given measures, if you prove, you are going to get it. In case if you neglect AB is equal to AC, we have another way, that AD is equal to AD, which is common. In that way, angle side angle property. So this problem is dealing with both the properties, children. Please note down any one method. You can note down, children. It is not compulsory that both the methods you have to note down. Just I have explained how what is the other way in which you can solve this problem. Please note it down. Now we will see the next one, what is given. Yeah, we have got exercise, children. This is exercise 3. So in this, certain triangles are given to you. One by one we will be doing. Sorry. In the following triangles, find the pairs which are congruent. The question is, in the following triangles, find the pairs which are congruent. The pairs which are congruent. This is the question, children. And also write the criteria. Also write the criteria of congruence. How are they congruent? What criteria you have used? You need to say. So let me take the first figure. You have got a triangle ABC and another triangle. It is drawn like this. In an inverted way they have drawn this triangle. So this is A, B, C, and this is P, Q, R. So what is given to you, children? This is 70 degrees, this is 60 degrees, and this is 6.5 centimeters. And here angle P 70 degrees, angle Q 60 degrees, and PQ 6.5 centimeters. So let us see. In triangle ABC and a triangle PQR, angle B is equal to angle P 70 degrees. This is given to us. Angle C is equal to angle Q, that is equal to 60 degrees. This is also given to us. And AB is equal to PR, that is 6.5 centimeters. This is also given to us. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR basing on angle side property, because the side is not included in the two angles which are similar, which are equal. So we will be saying that it is angle side property. This is first bit. Now let us see the second bit. In second bit, you have got two triangles which are attached to each other. It's like this. It's like a parallelogram with its diagonal. Okay. In this figure, you have got A, B, C, D. And this is 20 degrees, this is 30 degrees. And this is 20 degrees, this is 30 degrees. Now you have to prove whether these two triangles are congruent. What are the triangles you have got? In triangle ABD, and triangle BCD. ABD is one triangle, BCD is another triangle. Angle B is equal to angle D, that is 30 degrees given to us. And of course, angle B means I need to explain it, children, because angle B in many ways it is angle ABD. I'll write for your convenience. Angle ABD is equal to angle BDC. I'll write properly. Angle DBC. Angle DBC. Angle 30 degrees, sorry children, this is not ABD. 30 degrees is there here. That means angle ADB is equal to angle DBC. Angle DBC. Okay. Next, we have got 20 degrees here, 20 degrees here. That means angle ABD is equal to angle BDC 20 degrees. This is also given to us. Apart from these two, we can say that BD is equal to BD common. Both of them are having common side. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABD, triangle ABD, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BCD basing on angle side angle property, because the side is included in two equal sides, equal angles. So we will be calling it as angle side angle property. Please note it down. Now we will see the third bit. Third bit, you have two triangles. One side is like this and another side is like this, and these two are joined in this way. This is ABCD. ABCD. This is 5.5 centimeters. Here also 5.5 centimeters. This is 60 degrees, and here 60 degrees. So here we can say two triangles. What are they? In triangle AOB and triangle COD. AOB, COD. In these two triangles, AB is equal to CD, that is 5.5 centimeters. This is given to us. And angle BAO is equal to angle CDO, that is 60 degrees. This is also given to us. Apart from this, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. They are vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD basing on what, children? See, these two and this also are equal, but side is not included. So we will be calling it as angle side property. Basing on this, these two triangles are congruent. Now, let us see the fourth one. Okay, now fourth bit. For the fourth bit, You have got two triangles. This is one triangle and another triangle. Okay, in these triangles, A, B, C and D, E, F. In this is 70 degrees and angle B is 50 degrees and angle E is 50 degrees, angle F is 70 degrees. So, let us see. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, we can say angle B is equal to angle E, that is 50 degrees. This is given to us. And angle A is equal to angle F, that is 70 degrees, given to us. Now see children, only these two values you have got. We need another side, whether the side might be an included side or not included side. But side is not given. No congruent sides corresponding sides are given. No congruent corresponding sides are given. Therefore, we will say the triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle DEF. We cannot say that these two triangles are congruent because the required measures are not there. No congruent corresponding sides are given. They have not given congruent corresponding sides. We need either included angles or congruent corresponding sides, but whether they have given, they have not given. So we cannot consider these two triangles as congruent, children. Please note it down. This is first bit, first problem completed, children. Now we will see the next one. Second problem. For the second problem also, figure is given to you. So first let me draw the figure. You have got two triangles in this way. This is one triangle and this is another triangle. These are the two triangles A, B, C, D. These are given. So the question here, this is second problem. This is 30 degrees they have given. This is 30 degrees. This is also 30 degrees. This is 50 degrees and this is 50 degrees. So in the adjacent figure, what is the first bit? Are triangle ABC and triangle DCB congruent? This is the question. Are triangle ABC and triangle DCB congruent? They have given. Can you say that? See, let us take in triangle ABC and triangle DCB. DCB is one triangle, ABC is one triangle. So angle A is equal to angle D, 30 degrees given. They have given to us, that is 30 degrees. Then what else you can take? See, these two are 50 degrees they have given, and nothing else is given to us. But when you can say side BC is equal to BC, it is common. BC is equal to BC is common. So here children, when you say that in triangle ABC, when you are talking about the three triangles, let me write that here in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. So angle A is 30 degrees plus angle B, let us consider this as some value x, 50 degrees plus x plus angle C, that is 50 degrees. Angle C is also, it can be taken as 50 degrees. So this is 180 degrees. So how much will be getting? 30 plus 100 degrees plus x is 180 degrees. So what is this? 130 degrees plus x is 180 degrees. So what is x? 180 degrees minus 130 degrees, that is 50 degrees. So x is 50 degrees. So what is this? Is actually angle B. So what is angle B? We have got children. 50 plus x, that is equal to 50 plus 50, that is 100 degrees. Angle B is 100 degrees we got according to this problem. Now let us calculate the same angle B in this triangle. In triangle, what is it? B C D. In this also, angle B plus angle D plus angle C is 180 degrees. Let me draw a line here so that I can continue in the next. This is because we need another angle or side. So for that I am calculating here children. Angle B is how much we have got? 100. Sorry, here angle B, in this triangle angle B is not 100 children. In this triangle angle B is 50 degrees plus angle C, angle D is 30 degrees plus angle C is 50 degrees plus, let me consider this as y is equal to 180 degrees. This is a common one. That means 80 degrees. 50 plus 80 degrees plus 80 plus, 50, 50, 100, 100 plus 30, how much children? 130 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So what is y? 180 degrees minus 130 degrees, that is 50 degrees. So what is angle C? Angle C here is 50 degrees plus x, that is 50 degrees plus 50, that is 100 degrees. So angle B and angle C, on calculating, we are getting both of them are equal. So when you have said that angle D, A is equal to angle D 30 degrees, BC is equal to BC common, then I am continuing here. What am I saying now? Angle B is equal to angle C. How much we have got? 100 degrees. This is we have just now proved. In this case, we have proved that angle B is 100, angle C is 100. Therefore, we will be saying that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB basing on what property children? We have done AB, angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle C. BC is equal to BC common. So angle side property you can use to prove that. Children, I hope I am clear. So only they have asked are the triangles are congruent, but we need to prove it, how they are congruent. This is the way. I hope I am clear, children, here. This part they have not given. So I consider this as x, this as y, because this whole thing is the angle of triangle ABC. This whole thing is the angle of triangle BCD. So I need to know what are these values. Then only I can compare the two triangles. So to know it, this is the procedure which you have already done in your previous class, and even here also in some problems we have done. So in this way we have concluded that this angle is 100 degrees, this angle is 100 degrees. So these two angles are equal, these are equal given to us, and BC is common. So we will be saying that two triangles are congruent basing on angle side property. Please note it down, children. So first bit of this I have completed. Simply writing yes or no is not the thing, children. You need to prove it, why they are congruent. So don't just write yes or no. Prove it. That is, geometry means analysis. You should develop good analytical thought basing on this. Second one, or triangle AOB and triangle AOB congruent to triangle DOC. This is the question. Triangle AOB, this is one. Triangle AOB congruent to triangle DOC. See, we have got this value as 50 degrees, this value as 50 degrees, children. We have done it, we have proved it earlier. So, in triangle AOB and triangle DOC, angle DOC, angle A is equal to angle D 30 degrees, that is given to us, and angle AOB is equal to angle COD because they are vertically opposite angles. Since they are vertically opposite angles, they are equal, and angle ABO is equal to angle DCO, that is 50 degrees. It is proved. Means in the earlier problem I have rubbed, but you can continue that, children. It is proved. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. Now basing on what, children? Basing on angle congruency. We are only talking about three angles because no side is mentioned here, because in the problem they have not given any equality between the sides. So we cannot say only this is common, we can say by seeing the figure. What about the other two sides? They have not mentioned anything, so we cannot say that they are congruent, they are equal. So we have to depend upon the angles only. So this angles measure, this is why, it is why I have considered, no. So even if I consider it as y, I have got x is equal to y, that is 50 degrees. I have got it by proving it. So if this is 50 degrees, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. So we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC basing on angle property. This is the question, children. Actually, after giving these two bits, he has given also identify the relation between the corresponding elements and give reasons for your answer. That is the question. So reasons you have to mention means when you are saying that x is 50, when you are saying that y is 50 and x is equal to y, how is it you have to mention? They have asked specifically to mention the reason. The reason I have already here, I have explained earlier. Please just move your video back. You can understand how I have explained this. That will work out here. So anyway, if this problem will, if it is given to you, first and second bit together, you will be doing. So you can even say that proved in bit 1 also, you can say. In first bit, I have proved it. So basing on that, you are doing it this sentence. So I hope I am clear. Please note it down. With this, I am concluding my topic. Remaining, I will be doing in the next.